I'm going to do a little filing on this just because I want to take all the rough edges off of it. Make it a little bit rounder. Oh, just in case you want to know, we're listening to the Avett Brothers. That's a really good show if you ever get a chance to go see the Avetts. They put on a great show. Alright, I think that's going to work. I'm just going to have to make a little stand or something. Maybe out of a box. Because I don't want this thing flopping around during that 5-10 minutes it has to set up. Maybe right here. Yeah, I've got to remove this. My drill over here. Got these little slots. Never figured out what they're for really, but that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to set that up there. And then I'm going to put my glue right in there. And I'm going to set that baby right on top of that. And let it dry for about 24 hours. And that should help out. Alright, so this is the Bad Dog video.